Diesel was in a dump, but the steam engines were still right on track.
It's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they'll tell you so. He huffs and puffs and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's the really useful engine we adore. It's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the Fat Controller, he told him so. Now he's got a branch line to call his very own. He's the really useful engine we adore. He's the one, he's the number one. Thomas the Tank Engine. He's the really useful engine we adore.
Morning, Henry. What's the matter?
I've got boiler ache.
And I'm collecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trucks of special Island of Sodor coal for you.
Oh, thank you, Thomas. Special coal will make me feel much better.
But I wish I could make Mr. Conductor feel better, too, by finding him.
Hello, Thomas, and your 5 coal trucks.
5? But I'm supposed to have 6. Hello, Percy.
Oh, Thomas, I've been worried about you. Bertie says you lost a coal truck today.
Yes, it disappeared when I was at the buffers, near the little grotto.
Maybe those are the buffers that lead to the secret railway.
And the grotto is the Lost Engine special platform.
Oh, yes!
Percy, you protect those buffers from Diesel,
What?
and I'll find Mr. Conductor.
Me? Why me?
'Cause you're a brave engine, Percy.
Oh, I forgot.